guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. Today's video was inspired by a look that Kylie Jenner had posted on her Instagram. So if you guys want to see this look in action, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so taking my Anastasia eye primer, I'm just going to put that all over my lid. You can be very sloppy with this, it doesn't matter, just as long as you cover your whole entire lid. And I did put a little bit too much on, so you might see me taking some of it away with my finger. Taking the Mar palette from ColourPop, I'm using the shade Sorbet, and that's going to go in my crease, and any fluffy brush will do, and just be as messy with this color as you want, because we are going to cover it up with some shadows. I'm using windshield wiper motions and circular motions in my crease. Next, I'm taking the Kylie palette, the bronze palette, and I'm using the shade Tiger's Eye. And that's just going to go also in my crease. And again, you can be as sloppy or precise with this as you want. And if you see me looking up throughout the video, I was watching Beverly Hills 90210 on Hulu. I'm like addicted to that show right now, so that's what I was looking at. I'm taking the shade Jasper from the Kylie bronze palette and just putting that on my eyebrow bone and kind of covering up that eye primer that we had put on there. And making sure to blend everything out. Now I'm doing my cut crease, and I am still using the Anastasia eye primer. It works really well. I think it's like another tacky type of eye primer, kind of like a shape tape if you were to use shape tape on your eye. I really like this primer, and it also makes your eyeshadows pop a whole lot. So, and I would try to be very precise putting my primer down, especially when I cut the crease, and take your time with it. And pat away any excess product that you may have. Come here. Look at the camera. It's so cute. Next, I'm going in with the shade My Way or Highway. I think it's Highway. I'm not too sure. I can't tell on the back of this palette, but I'm going to put that on my outer corner and blend it in and go about halfway on your eye, because in the picture that Kylie had posted, hers was about halfway as well. So really take your time to pack on that color and blend. It's going to be a lot of packing and blending, so really take your time and have patience with this too, because you want, if you're like me and you want to be extra, you want your color to pop a lot. And then I'm going back in with the Kylie Tiger Eye shade, and I'm just making sure everything blends out. Next, I'm going in with the ColourPop Tea Party shade, and that's going to go in my inner corner and blend into that blue. I started out with a brush and I didn't like how it was coming off, so I took my finger and started packing it on with my finger, and I liked how that came out a whole lot better than with the brush. And then I do add some setting spray to make it really, really stick and pop out. And just be sure that you blend those two colors into each other so that it's not like a line and that it looks like it's blended in with each other. And I'm just sprucing up the look and making sure everything looks good and adding any extra color that I may need to add and blending it as well. Just keep adding your colors and blending till your heart is content. And then once you're done, check yourself out in the mirror and you're good. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so that you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I thought I would do something new for this video and end each video with a question of the day. So my question to you guys is, what is your favorite makeup product to use? Whether it's eyebrows, mascara, or anything, just let me know down in the comments, and I'd love to see your answers. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.